2,000 years later.
Why it takes so long? I can finish in 3 seconds. You are fired.
Artificial intelligence may not be taking away your job right now, but the person who knows how to use artificial intelligence to do your job will. Watch this video now to find out how to protect your job and secure your future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a sci-fi concept. It's a reality that's changing the world we live in, including the job market right now. Robots and automation are becoming more prevalent, and this has resulted in some jobs becoming obsolete. But it's also creating new opportunities for those who are willing to adapt. AI is being used to automate tasks, and it's making jobs more efficient. In some cases, it is even creating new industries. What does this mean for you? It means that if you want to stay relevant in the job market, you need to adapt too. You need to redefine your life to take advantage of the opportunities that AI is creating. There are plenty of courses and resources available to help you learn new skills that will be in demand in the AI era. And most importantly, how can you use AI to increase your income? Hi, I'm Sean Seah from Next Level Academy. Here at Next Level Academy, we coach aspiring content creators to supplement or replace their existing income. And we incorporate AI in our 8-figure creator framework to make content creation more efficient, profitable, and effective for creators, regardless of their experience. In fact, this video you are watching right now, 90% of the video script was created by an AI tool. If you are still watching this video right now, you need to know that this is game-changing. My question to you is this: are you ready to invest your time to protect your own job or business? Don't let AI leave you behind. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to build a future life or business that you truly desire as a creator. See you in the next video.